Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Magic Eraser is a dense foam of melamine formaldehyde resin used for cleaning. The foam is manufactured into an open cell structure with pores about 10 to 30 micrometers. That microstructure creates millions of microscopic filaments that act like ultrafine sandpaper on surfaces. Add water and the foam softens while maintaining abrasive edges that abrade soils, scuff marks, and stains. It contains no chlorine bleach, but cleans mechanically rather than chemically. The product removes surface grime by mechanical action. Dampen the eraser with water only before use. Do not add detergents or bleach. Squeeze out excess water so the sponge is moist but not dripping. Hold the foam like a pad and use light to moderate pressure while rubbing in one direction. Small circular motions increase abrasion and wear the foam faster. Replace the pad when it becomes gray or tears because the foam wears away as it cleans. Always test on an inconspicuous area to check for finish removal or surface damage. Avoid using magic eraser on glossy paints, polished metal, delicate plastics, and high sheen surfaces. The abrasive action can dull or remove finishes if you apply heavy pressure for long periods. The foam contains melamine resin and functions mechanically, so no chemical residue protects the surface afterwards. It is safe for many hard, matte surfaces like ceramic tile and rubber trim when used gently. The sponge physically wears down with use and cannot be regenerated or reliably sanitized for food contact surfaces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.